Hello class here. Once again I am K. Mishra, your science teacher. Welcome all of you in online classes of your school, that is Little Flowers School, Madhupuram, Waterden, Basti. Class at present we are studying chapter number 1, which is crop production. In crop production we have already studied about why there is need to increase overall crop production. We have already studied. We have already studied about the nutrients required by the plants. As you know that there are two types of nutrients required by the plants. One group of nutrients is known as macronutrient and second group is known as micronutrients. Micronutrients are 9 in number and micronutrients are 7 in number. Macro are 9 and micro are 7 in number. These are known as micronutrients because micronutrients are needed by the plant in very small quantity, in very small amount. Whereas this group of nutrients is known as micronutrients. They are 9 in number. These are known as micronutrients because these are required in large quantity for the growth and proper development of the plant. This is about nutrients. Now come to today's topic, various steps involved in crop production. This is today's topic. What are those steps which are involved during crop production? First step is preparation of soil. सबसे पहले हम सॉइल का प्रिपरेशन करते हैं. इस हेडिंग को दो सब हेडिंग में आपकी बुक में डिवाइड किया हुआ है, प्लाउइंग एंड लेवलिंग. प्लाउइंग इज डन बाय two methods, either by bullocks, which is also known as manual, and second one is by cultivator, tractor. Ploughing is done by two methods. First one is by bullocks, by a pair of bullock, and second one is by tractor. ठीक है. In tractors, cultivator is connected and with the help of this cultivator we can plough the field. So ploughing, I think all of you have understood very well. Now leveling. Leveling is done by leveler. Leveling is done by an instrument known as leveler. Once again, leveling of soil is done by two methods, either by bullocks or by tractor. Now come to sowing of seed. Second heading is sowing of seed. Sowing of seed is done by once again two methods. Either it is done manually by simply spreading the seeds in the soil. This method is also known as broadcasting method. Broadcasting method. And second method is by seed drill machine. This seed drill machine is operated by tractors. Clear? Now third step involved in crop production is manuring. Manuring the soil. For manuring the soil, we can use organic manure or inorganic manure, compost, urea, DAP. These all are known as manures or fertilizers. Understand? एक थोड़ा सा इसमें डिफरेंट मैन्योर के बारे में आपकी बुक में लिखा हुआ है, वो जरूर हम बताना चाहेंगे. वो लिखा हुआ है ग्रीन मैन्योर. आपकी बुक में ये थोड़ा सा इसके बारे में लिखा हुआ है, ग्रीन मैन्योर के बारे में. तो ग्रीन मैन्योर क्या है? एक प्लांट है जिसको हम कहते हैं सनहेम. सनहेम. पहले इस प्लांट को, जो हमारा मेन क्रॉप है, उस क्रॉप का सीड डालने से पहले हम सॉइल में इस सनहेम को ग्रो होने देते हैं और ग्रो होने के बाद उस सॉइल को सनहेम प्लांट सहित हम कल्टीवेट कर देते हैं. सॉइल को कल्टीवेट कर देते हैं जिससे सनहेम पूरा का पूरा सॉइल में मिक्स हो जाता है. इस तरह से जब मैन्योरिंग की जाती है अपने सॉइल की, तब हम इस मैन्योर को कहते हैं ग्रीन मैन्योर. ठीक है. तो मैन्योरिंग करना ही करना है. नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज इरिगेशन. Irrigation is very important for proper growth and development of plants. And irrigation is also done by two methods are given in your book. I think more than two methods are given in your book for irrigation purpose. First one is given here, traditional method of irrigation, and second one is modern irrigational method. Traditional methods of irrigation. In traditional methods of irrigation, it is written here that traditional methods of irrigation is done by pulley. First one is pulley, second one is rahat given here, and third one is chain pump. These are traditional methods of irrigation. And in modern method of irrigation, it is given here, modern method of irrigation. First one is sprinkler system, it is first one, and second one is drip system. So there are two types of irrigation. First one is traditional method irrigation, second one is modern method of irrigation. In traditional method of irrigation, pulley system, rahat system and chain pump system is given in your book. And in this one, modern irrigation system, sprinkler system and drip irrigation is given here. Diagrams of also rahat and pulley system is given in your book. These diagrams. These are traditional irrigation methods. Clear? So irrigation of new saplings is also very essential. This irrigation is done by any traditional method or modern method, by sprinkler system, by canal system, or by another system which is written in your book, drip system. After इस इरिगेशन में हम लोग और चीज़ें पढ़ेंगे, जब बुक की चीज़ें हम लोग देखेंगे. अभी एक आउटलुक पूरे चैप्टर पे. आफ्टर इरिगेशन, weeding is here. What are weeds? The unwanted plant grow along with the main crop are known as weeds, and the process of removing of these weeds from the main crop is known as weeding. Once again I am repeating, the process of removing weeds from the main crop field is known as weeding. और weeding हमेशा मैनुअल ही किया जाता है, इसके लिए कोई मशीन नहीं है. Weeding is done manually. Now after that, crop protection, it is also very essential. Crop should be protected by insects, by rats and so on. So our crop should be protected. After that, harvesting is done. Harvesting is also done manually and by tractors, by machines. Now threshing and winnowing, and after that storage of grains. This is total step involved in food production. We will study about these steps in broad in next online classes. In next online class we will study about the process of sowing of seeds, manual and seed drill, both methods. Class, revise the topic you studied today. It is your homework. Thank you class here. Stay home, be safe. Thank you.